Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects nearly everyone, whether at home or in the office: how to significantly save money on printing. It's a common misconception that the initial purchase price of a printer is the main cost. In reality, many people don't realize that printers are often sold below cost because manufacturers make their real profit from selling expensive consumables like ink and toner. These must be replaced repeatedly, ensuring a continuous revenue stream for them. Let's explore the fundamental differences between laser and inkjet printers. Inkjet printers use liquid ink cartridges, precisely sprayed onto paper through tiny nozzles. This method is excellent for vibrant color photos and detailed graphics. In contrast, laser printers utilize toner, a fine powder fused onto the paper using heat. This process creates a durable, smudge-proof print, making laser printers exceptionally efficient for high-volume text documents and professional reports. This distinction is crucial because laser printing is typically much cheaper per page than inkjet printing. Laser toners generally offer a significantly higher page yield compared to liquid ink cartridges, meaning you get more prints for your money and replace them less often. A single laser toner cartridge can often print thousands of pages, whereas an inkjet cartridge might only yield a few hundred. This significant difference translates into substantial long-term savings and less frequent purchases, making laser a more economical choice for consistent printing. For those who don't require color printing, a black and white laser printer is often the most economical choice. The toner cartridges for monochrome laser printers are considerably cheaper than purchasing a black cartridge plus 3 separate color ink cartridges for an inkjet, which can quickly add up. Even if you only print in black and white on an inkjet, color cartridges can still deplete or dry out, forcing replacement and adding unnecessary expense. Furthermore, inkjet cartridges, especially color ones, can dry out and become unusable if not used regularly, leading to wasted ink and money. This means replacing cartridges that still contain ink but are no longer functional. Laser toner, being a dry powder, does not suffer from this problem, making it a more reliable and cost-effective option for infrequent or high-volume black and white printing. Its stable nature ensures consumables are always ready when needed, avoiding unexpected expenses. Another significant way to save is by purchasing non-manufacturer or third-party consumables. These compatible ink and toner cartridges can offer substantial savings, often at a fraction of the cost of original equipment manufacturer products. Many reputable third-party brands have perfected their formulations and manufacturing processes, allowing them to deliver comparable print quality and page yield to OEM cartridges, but at a much more accessible price point, making them an excellent value. However, it's important to choose reliable third-party brands to ensure quality and avoid potential printer issues like poor print output or even damage. Always check reviews and compatibility specifically for your printer model before making a purchase. Investing a little time and research can save you a lot of headaches and money down the line, ensuring you get a product that performs well and protects your printer. Finally, when your printer breaks down, consider the cost of repair versus replacement very carefully. Most printer repairs are simply not worth the expense. A brand new printer with updated features can often be purchased for the same price, or even less, than the repair bill. It's often more financially prudent to invest in a new, more efficient model rather than sinking money into an aging, problematic device, especially considering the benefits of a new warranty. In summary, choosing a laser printer, especially for black and white needs, and exploring reliable third-party consumables are excellent strategies to significantly cut down on your printing costs over time. These two approaches, combined with a pragmatic view on printer repairs, form a powerful foundation for smart, economical printing habits that will benefit your budget for years to come. If you found this video helpful and learned something new about saving money on printing, please hit the like button to support our channel. And if you'd like to see more informative videos on various topics, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you.